Hi everyone, welcome back. So today we're going to be talking about the suffix ling, L-I-N-G. Now the suffix ling, L-I-N-G, means something very small. For example, a little version of another thing. For example, duckling, a smaller or baby version of a duck. A gosling, a baby goose. Or a seedling, a very young, small plant growing from a seed. Now, as you now know what the suffix ling, ling, means, see if you can guess what these following words actually mean. The first one, fledgling. Now, fledgling actually means a baby bird. So, to help you remember this word, I like to break it down into two parts. The first part is fledge. Now, fledge actually means when a bird grows its own feathers. So when a bird grows its own feathers to be able to fly, and you add the suffix ling, then we get a baby bird, which is a fledgling. Now, another word I'd like you to guess the meaning of is the word sapling. Now, sapling, for those who have guessed by now, is a young tree. Now, to help remember this word, we must think of what's inside a tree. Now, inside a tree there is actually something called tree sap. Now, tree sap is the sugary liquid inside a tree that helps it survive and grow, and often can be made into syrup. For example, maple syrup. Now, another word I'd again like you to guess is the word sibling. Time's up unfortunately, but for those that guessed, sibling means a brother or a sister. So, for example, you can remember this by parents' young babies, which are brother and sister. Another word is the word darling, which means a diminutive of dear. A loving term for a beloved person. Now, the last example I have for the suffix ling in a word is the word underling. Now, can you guess what this meaning is? Well, unfortunately, time's up. So, for those that have guessed, underling is somebody that works on a lower rank than you. Now, to remember this word, it's best to remember it in two parts. The first part is under, where when we think of under, we have to think of when something or somebody is below us, whether that is in rank or physically. And then the second part is the suffix again, ling, which is something very small, a younger version of something. So, an underling is somebody that works under your rank. Now that ends our video today, and hopefully you have learned what the suffix ling, L-I-N-G, means. Unfortunately, this is the end of our video, but hopefully through this you have learned what the suffix ling means, L-I-N-G, which means something small, a younger version, or a baby of itself. And hopefully this has helped you understand what and how English words are actually made and composed of. And so if you really enjoyed this video, we would love it if you gave us a like, hit subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!